Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. I feel like it's been a while, so how are you guys doing? Leave me a comment in the comments box down below. I'd love to hear from you. Today I'm going to share the new Lawn Fawn. We have new Darcies and new Greeting Farm stamps. So the Free with 60 was the cute little germ-free bear from Lawn Fawn. I only have a handful left, so the next, I think 4 or 5 orders will get this. If you spend $60 or more, it'll pop into your cart. After that, I will change it out for something else. I do have the die available, so if you want to pick up the die, that's available. We have a flip-flop stamp, so this is from the Dandy Day stamp set. So now we have the opposite image. So you could put those two together and they could be facing each other. You get a sentiment thinking of you. We have I love you Calyptus flip-flop. So here's the opposite image to that cute little guy. And then there's a sentiment as well. We have Say What Masked Critters. So we got 3 of those guys, and we've got little sentiments that fit into the speech bubble. And we've got a coordinating die as well. Reveal Wheel Thought Bubble add-on and the template. I only have 1 left of each of those. We have the Virtual Friends add-on. So we have the die, the stamp set. This is so cute, the little office chair. And all your little mice critters and your small little critters are going to fit on there. Even the little people from Lawn Fawn. So I think this is a great addition to the stamps. We've got Scootin' By, so super cute. I love this guy. And look how they're posed. You can use these cute little guys without these scooters and make little scenes. They could be holding balloons or presenting a present. They don't even need to be on these scooters. So think about your stamps that way. And Lawn Fawn is great with thinking about the scenes. So here is the die for that one. And then we've got Happy Hugs. So that's really cute. All these little critters giving hugs. Great sentiments for different occasions here. I can't stop thinking of you. I miss your hugs. Sending happy thoughts your way. I miss you. The Magic Iris Thought Bubble add-on. And then we have the outside in stitched Thought Bubble stackables. And just stitching scallop circles. So that leaves a nice stitching on your card. The Slim Line Simple Road Border and the other road border. So we've got a hill one and a wavy one. So these are really fun to add scenes to a slimline card. You could also use that on an A2 size card. And then we've got the stencils for slimline cards. We've got a hills and a wavy hill, and these will work on your A2 size cards as well. And then a nice plaid stencil. Very nice to use all year round, I think. And then we've got a thought bubble stencil. So this is really cute. I've seen them do a little inking to create the thought bubble and then put your characters in there. The little ones hugging, and then have a little character below thinking about hugging someone. So I thought that was cute. And for Darcie's, we got, I think 4 new stamps. Yep. So these all pretty much can be interchanged. The cute little bear character for all 3 of these. So this one's like a camping theme. This is called Happy Trails. He's holding a lantern. We've got the sign, and then we've got this that can fit in there. We've got Dad, so this could be good for Happy Father's Day. Wishing you happy trails on your special day. We've got Happy Birthday, Happy Father's Day that you can stamp right there on the sign. We've got the Hot Diggity Dog. So you've got the little bear with the arms out, so you can put a little pitchfork in there or some beer or whatever you want him to hold. He could probably hold this big giant burger. We've got a grill, It's your day, hot diggity dog. Sun's out, bun's out. You're the only bun for me. And then the fishing one, I think these two can be really interchanged with a cute scene. And this one is Oh Fishily. So that one's really cute with the fishing pole and the fish. We've got Best Fishies, Oh Fishily, the best ever. And then Dad Bro, time to reel in the fun. And then this is the background, a waterfall scene background, which will go good with these stamp sets. Just have your little guy in the corner. So that's really fun. Then for the greeting farm, we've got Birthday Mer Friends. So we've got some mermaids that are all different characters, different animals, dressed as mermaids. A little banner, a cake, a party hat, present. And the sentiment, wishing you a happy birthday. We've got mermaid fun. So we got 2 mermaids and the whales. Well, we got 3 mermaids, whales. Oh, actually we have another mermaid with her backside. And then we've got all is well, see ya, have big fun, and hello for your sentiments. And my camera kicked off. I don't know if this one was picked up, but we have first pick with the cute little characters dressed in a fruit costume and some fruit to decorate with and 3 sentiments. So 3 fun new stamps from the greeting farm. I'll have the links in the description box for you. You can head on over to the shop and check out what's new. Lots of goodies over there. Free shipping over $60. So I really appreciate you guys coming by and leaving comments on all the videos. I hope you're enjoying the design team projects that are on my channel. They are just so amazing and so much inspiration there. So I hope you guys are enjoying that. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that bell for notifications. And don't forget to leave the video a like on your way out. Thanks, guys, and I will talk to you real soon. Bye.